Hello, everyone, your lovely ghost has arrived. This is a giant jellyfish found in the depths of the sea. It appears to be wearing the robes of nobility.
Peter, are you in airplane mode again? You can fly around like...
Big cats are still cats.
This is a question I get all the time, so let's see. There's my hand as a frame of reference. This is a dish with a bunch of drops of media. That drop right there has 20 eggs in it. It's a lot easier to see a group of eggs. Just one of them is like impossible to see. That's what they look like under the microscope, and now you know that.
This is what is called red lightning, which is a large discharge of charges that occurs between the clouds in storms. And this one in particular is so large that you can see it from space. This stop-motion animation is incredible. It looks as if this cloud is pouring a rainbow.
Am I walking you or are you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
The Wii is so much simpler than it looks. In fact, the sensor bar is just two infrared lights that the remote uses to figure out where the TV is. That means you can actually replace this with two candles.
This man runs in different shoes.